Good morning. Craigslist and YouTube. This bike for sale, and a couple people wanted me to put a link on there to see how she runs. All right, start her up. She's cold, the sun's out, shouldn't have to choke it too bad. Okay, so it's like this. Key on. There's the starter button. It's on the starter. So